ona falling on my not on a fear fasa. I just want to make a correction to this phrase, Billy, because that is the purpose of this page, is to teach and to enlighten. There's a phrase that is commonly being used by some of our followers, and eleo se fia poto e alawaina o faiatu, eleo se fia poto e alawaina faiatu, a le toe fia manatu mfo toe fia fafanu. The language used, le ngangana lea, famai, tu sa tele ana na imeia o le famai isi, e uliuli le tu uu ai o tangia. Ai e uliuli tu le tu uliuli tu uu ai utangia. Famai isi, e uliuli tu uu ai atangia. O le fasa onga la o le ala ngā upu e whapea. E uli le tu uu ai otangia. I would liken it to the American phrase, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. So that is the correction I'd like to make. It's not euliuli tu uu ai utangia or euliuli tu uu ai atangia. It is euliuli le tu uu ai otangia. Although the tu uu is black, but it is delicious. Paungas ka ko live ngi kula ngangai ka ku koef kaya to faso fua.